Here are 10 ways coconut oil can give you the best looking hair of your life. Tip number 1. Coconut oil has the power to make your hair grow longer, thicker, and healthier. Let's start this story off right with the answer we've all been waiting for. Does coconut oil make your hair grow? Yes, indeed it does. Coconut oil will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker, and longer, Brown confirms. The vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrates the cuticle of the hair. A treatment mask about once every week or 2 weeks for 5 to 10 minutes will do the trick. Keep scrolling for Brown's favorite coconut oil infused mask. Alvarez agrees, adding that incorporating coconut oil into your routine creates the optimal environment for hair growth. The vitamins and essential fatty acids also helps to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles, which speeds up growth, she explains. Tip number 2. Lather it all over your hair for a pre-poo shampoo treatment. It's no secret that harsh ingredients found in many shampoos can strip your hair of its natural, good-for-you oils. If your hair is feeling a little dry or damaged, coconut oil is a good pre-shampoo treatment to prevent shampoos from stripping all the oils from your hair, Brown suggests. So massage coconut oil into your hair from root to tip before you shampoo to prevent this. Tip number 3. Use it before a big dye job to prevent hair coloring damage. I like to tell certain clients to put a little coconut oil in their hair before getting major highlights or going platinum because it helps protect the hair from bleach, Brown says. Tip number 4. Rub it on your split ends for a quick fix and frizz control. If running to the salon to solve your split end problem is not going to happen anytime soon, consider coconut oil your right-hand man for a quick fix. Before we go any further though, sorry, you still have to go to the salon eventually to really get your split ends taken care of. By no means is this a permanent solution. Coconut oil will help smooth the cuticles on your split ends, so your hair doesn't look frayed at the end. It also helps tame frizz due to split ends or humid weather. It actually can control frizz on your whole head, not just on your split ends. It prevents frizz because it's great for replenishing moisture in your hair, Alvarez adds, so you should use it on the driest parts of your hair. Tip number 5. Apply it on your hair as a leave-in treatment. I love using coconut oil as a leave-in treatment in the summer, Brown suggests. The heat from the sun will open up the cuticle so the oil will penetrate your hair even more. Its ingredients have natural protectants that save your hair from sun damage. Coconut oil also protects the hair from drying out or getting brittle from salt water and chlorine. In other words, you're going to need it this summer, so keep some in your beach bag too. Tip number 6. Use coconut oil as a non-toxic and all-natural aid for getting rid of lice. If you're dealing with lice, Brown recommends rubbing coconut oil throughout your scalp and your hair from root to tip as an initial step to kill lice. Then, following that up with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Be sure to do an apple cider rinse to kill all of the eggs or nits left behind, Brown advises. Alvarez recommends employing tea tree oil as well, and agrees that coconut oil alone can't fully get rid of lice. Coconut oil can't completely kill the nits that lice lay in your hair, Alvarez explains. Mixing a few drops of tea tree oil in coconut oil could help kill the lice and neutralize their eggs. And when in doubt, consult your doctor. Tip number 7. If you're dealing with dandruff, let it sit on your scalp for a few minutes before shampooing. Coconut oil can also stop those pesky dandruff flakes from making a home on your hair. If you want to combat dandruff, put coconut oil on your scalp for about 5 minutes, and then shampoo it out, Brown explains, which she says to continue to do until you start to see less dandruff. Alvarez adds that rubbing coconut oil on your hair restores scalp health and reduces flaking. Tip number 8. Use it as a detangler. Coconut oil provides a great slip to the hair, making detangling feel like a breeze, Alvarez explains. Tip number 9. Apply it lightly to boost shine. To utilize coconut oil's high shine quality, Alvarez recommends using a light hand so your hair won't look too oily and applying it throughout your hair. Tip number 10. Use coconut oil to save your hair from sun damage. Coconut oil is a natural SPF and will protect your hair and skin from the harmful rays of the sun, says Alvarez. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do subscribe and stay with us.